Hey guys, if you want to be successful with affiliate marketing and building a profitable blogging business, using the right tools is absolutely necessary because then you'll be set up for success from the beginning and you'll have a massive head start over everyone else out there, which is going to give you an edge over your competition. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about why Kadence is absolutely the best choice for building a profitable blogging business online. So let's get right into it. Hey, for those of you that don't know me, my name is Jake Full, and I built a six-figure blogging business all on the side while I was working my 9-to-5 job. And I was able to quit my job and go full-time as an entrepreneur, doing what I love every single day. And I want to teach you exactly how to do the same. And so if that sounds interesting, make sure to click the link in the description below and sign up for my free 30-minute blogging masterclass. It's an entire overview of blogging and affiliate marketing and how easy it is to get your own website started, create a brand online, and start generating passive income every single month, because I have built entire website templates in a box that you can import in less than 1 minute. And then I also have over 400 individual website templates that you can mix and match however you would like to create pages and blog posts 10 times faster than anybody else out there. And so make sure to click that link in the description below and get signed up for the free training. And let's get back to the video. All right, so one of the most common questions that I see aspiring bloggers post online is, what theme should I be using for affiliate marketing? What Blocks plugin should I be using? And there are so many options out there. And so I want to tell you why you should be using Kadence for affiliate marketing and why it is hands down the best option over anything else out there. So first and foremost, Kadence is not just a theme or a Blocks plugin. So many of the solutions that you see out there, many people just focus on the theme or just the Blocks plugin. But the fact of the matter is that Kadence is an entire ecosystem of products that help you build effective websites quickly. And so Kadence is an entire suite of products that work perfectly together and make it easier than ever to build a profitable blogging business. And easily one of the best perks of using Kadence is that all of their products are perfectly optimized for lightning fast speed, performance, and SEO. This means that when you pair Kadence with things such as really fast hosting, it is going to be much easier to pass Google's Core Web Vitals. And what that will ultimately do is give you a Google ranking boost on your pages. And if the Google ranking boost wasn't enough, having an extremely fast website with a great user experience is going to give you so many perks and drastically increase conversions on your website. So the Kadence theme alone already has more free features than most of the paid themes that you see out there. And then the pro version of the Kadence theme comes with some really incredible features, which I'll cover a little later in this video. And then there is Kadence Blocks, and you'll use this to help build your website and all of your pages and things like that. And so Kadence Blocks comes with 15 free blocks that help you build basically anything that you can think of. And then with Kadence Blocks Pro, you get 9 additional blocks. Plus Kadence Blocks Pro adds some really nice add-ons into Kadence Blocks, which I'll also cover. And when you use Kadence Blocks, you are using the built-in WordPress block editor, which is also known as Gutenberg. And this will be one of the main reasons why your website will be so fast, because you won't have to use bloated third-party page builders. So in the past, I've used other third-party page builders such as Cornerstone and Elementor, and all those end up doing is drastically slowing down your website and really hurting your user experience. And WordPress has made it perfectly clear that the future of WordPress is all in blocks. And so the built-in block editor that they have been working on for years now continues to get so many refinements and really nice features. And then using a plugin such as Kadence Blocks further extends your capabilities with the built-in block editor and adds a number of additional blocks to help you build pages and blog posts. And starting a WordPress website from scratch is one of the most overwhelming tasks that beginners face when they just get started. And so for the past several years, I've spent thousands of hours building products that make it easier than ever to start a profitable blogging business. And so that is why I built Start Blogging Themes, which are entire starter websites in a box perfectly optimized for affiliate blogging. And Start Blogging Themes are Kadence child themes, And so all of these themes are using Kadence, and then we are building pre-designed pages and blog post outlines and a number of different things on top of that. And so there's literally no faster way to start an affiliate blog online with the best framework, which is Kadence, when you use Start Blogging themes. And so I will cover Start Blogging themes in more detail in later videos, but I do just want to quickly show you one of our Start Blogging themes that we'll be using throughout the course here. And so a Start Blogging theme is an entire website in a box that you can import in less than 1 minute on your website. So you go from a completely blank website to something that looks like this, where you have a perfectly pre-designed homepage. If I scroll back up here, we have an about page here where you can showcase your experience and tell a little bit about your story and your expertise. And then if we scroll back up and go to the blog page here, here is where you can have people sign up for a newsletter or a lead magnet. You can display all of your blog posts in a really nice organized fashion. And then we have a really simple contact page here for users to contact you. And then we have additional pages such as a newsletter page here, which you can use this to have people sign up for your newsletter. You could also use this as a lead magnet. Say you have an ebook or some type of download that you want people to sign up for. You can use this newsletter page for that and talk about what's inside. And then we have a really nice coming soon page that you can set on your website while you build out your website and get all of your pages configured. And so users could see this coming soon page with a countdown timer and then sign up and be notified once you launch. And then we have a links page here, which is very similar to a link tree type of page. And I'm currently showing this on mobile, but it works perfectly on desktop as well. And this is where you could put a little avatar image of yourself, maybe showcase your Instagram handle and some of your social profiles. And then you have a list of the most important links that you want to point your users to. And then not only do we have all of these pre-designed pages, but we also have full blog post outlines to help you get started blogging as soon as possible. And so let's look at some of these here. So I'll click on this one. And so here is an entire blog post outline for a product review. And so you can see we have different sidebar elements here. And then as we scroll down, we have a really nice product summary box where you can highlight different features about the product. You can talk about the overall rating. You can list the pros and cons of the product. We have a massive call to action button to entice visitors to click. And then as you scroll down here, we have placeholder images for your featured image. We have a really nice table of contents, which Google loves. And then we have a really Google-friendly outline with some AI prompts in here that you can use to have AI help you write this post. And all of this is perfectly optimized to help you rank on Google and massively increase conversions on your website. And then let's back out here and let's go into one of these sample listicle posts here. And so we have multiple blog post outlines for writing listicle posts, which are things such as the 5 best whatever or the top 10 whatever. And so if we scroll down here, we have a placeholder image for your featured image here. We have a table of contents, and then we have these really nice product boxes, which are some of our most popular templates. And this is where you can put an image of the product. You can fill out the product title. You can give it a tag such as the best choice. And then we have a really prominent call to action button to entice users to click. And then we have a product pros and cons that we have listed down here. And here is where you would go into more information about that product. And then we continue that down for multiple products. And so you can list as many products as you would like in here and showcase this in a really, really nice fashion, which is going to be drastically better than just having a wall of text like so many other websites do. And so that is a really quick overview of Start Blogging themes. And then I've also poured thousands of hours into building Start Blogging blocks, which is a library of over 400 individual website templates to help you build landing pages and affiliate blog posts 10 times faster. So again, I will talk about Start Blogging blocks in much more detail throughout the course, but here is the entire library of templates that we have that will help you build landing pages and blog posts so much faster than before. Using these templates is going to save you hundreds of hours per year, not needing to build these from scratch. And we have templates in almost every category that you can think of. And so if you want to build pages, you can use templates such as all of our hero sections that we have right here. And then if we go over to the content category, here is a whole list of different content boxes and content sections that you can use to help build out your page. And then we have templates such as testimonials here to help show some social proof. We have all of these really beautiful pricing table templates if you want to showcase services or if you're selling digital products on your website. And then for building pages, we also have these really nice feature grids where where you can showcase different features or whatever it is that you want to highlight. And then if you want to build really beautiful affiliate blog posts that are going to help sell on your website, we have a ton of different categories for that. We have different alert blocks here where you can call out various information in your blog posts. We have all of these different pros and cons boxes, which you can showcase all of this information about different products on your website. And then by far, some of our most popular templates are these product boxes here. So I showed you this in some of our blog post outlines from Start Blogging Themes, but you can use these to help showcase different products in your blog posts or on your pages here. And then we have these star ratings and all of these really beautiful blocks and product grids to help showcase products side by side here. And then we also have an entire collection of blocks for social proof on your website. So you can see all of these social call to action blocks that we have. And so these are really nice to put in your blog posts or on your pages to help drive people to your social channels. We have different social proof on the left-hand side here. So here is where you can showcase different logos of different companies that you've been featured on. We have different statistics that count up to help with that social proof, and then various content sections here with some statistics that you can show. And then we have entire full pages inside the Start Blogging Blocks library, such as some core pages, which we're going to be adding much more to here. We have all of the various blog post outlines that you saw in the Start Blogging Themes example from before. We have a sales funnel here, which we'll be adding to as well. And then you can showcase different posts on your website through these blocks. And so that's a quick overview of Start Blogging Themes and Start Blogging Blocks. And if you are a member of the Start Blogging Collective, you get access to every single Start Blogging theme and the entire library of Start Blogging Blocks, including all the free and pro templates. But if you are a member of the free Start Blogging 101 community, we do give away over 80 of these Start Blogging Blocks templates for free. And then you can individually purchase a Start Blogging theme of your choice and or a Start Blogging Blocks package to add onto your website. And so going back to Kadence here, I will talk about Kadence elements later in this video, and I'll have a video later in the course that will cover how to use these in detail. But this is one of my favorite features of Kadence, which allows you to create custom content sections and different fixed sections and add them into your blog posts and your pages dynamically. And so this is really nice because you can add things such as an affiliate disclosure to all of your blog posts in literally less than a minute. So you don't have to go in and individually add an affiliate disclosure to every single blog post manually. You can simply create an affiliate disclosure element in Kadence and then instantly add that to all of your blog posts automatically. And then another personal favorite of mine is Kadence Conversions, which is an additional product that Kadence has that allows you to really easily create pop-ups and banners on your website, which will drastically increase conversions. And I will talk about Kadence Conversions a little more later. And then another huge thing that I think sets Kadence apart from the competition is Kadence AI. And so this will give you access to entire starter templates, some full pages. You can even do inline text with Kadence AI, and you simply tell Kadence AI about your business and what it is that you provide. And then Kadence AI will go in and automatically create the copy in the words in these pages and starter templates that match your brand and your business, which is a really, really cool feature, and it's gonna help save you a ton of time. And so let's go over Kadence Free versus Pro, because this is one of the most common questions that I get asked. And so here's a list of some of my favorite features that come with the Pro version of the Kadence theme. Number one is it comes with an advanced header builder add-on, which gives you a number of additional elements to help build the header on your website. Number two is conditional headers. And what that means is that you can build an entirely different header and show it on different pages based on conditions. And so maybe you have a landing page that you build on your website where you are trying to sell a product or get people to sign up for an ebook or something. And maybe you don't want that header of that page to look the same as the rest of your website. And you might just want a simple CTA button in the header that says buy this product or sign up for the newsletter, and just have your brand logo in the upper left. Well, you can really easily do that with the Pro version of the Kadence theme, where you build that separate header and tell Kadence that you only want to show that header on that page. Number 3 is a mega menu. And so if you have a really simple blog, chances are you probably won't use this, but mega menus are really, really nice for more complex websites, such as an e-commerce website where you might want to showcase the different products you sell or whatever it might be. And so here on Kadence's main website, you can see a mega menu being used. So if I hover over the products here, they have this really nice menu here. You can see that there are custom icons for each of these products. When you hover over, you get this slight effect where the color changes and it adds a border to the bottom. And so this is a really simple but elegant example of using the mega menu on Kadence's website here. Number 4 is header and footer scripts. And this is very, very simple, but it is going to save you a ton of time when we go and set up Google Analytics on your website. And then number 5 is Kadence Elements, which I mentioned in the previous slide. And this is hands down my favorite Kadence Theme Pro feature, because it is so unbelievably powerful, and I will show you how to use these in much more detail later in the course. And so that was a list of all of my favorite features in the Pro version of the Kadence theme, but now let's talk about some of my favorite features with the Pro version of Kadence Blocks. And so number 1 is that Kadence Blocks Pro unlocks a number of additional blocks that you can use on your website. And so they have an image overlay block, they have a video pop-up, they have a modal, they have a post grid and carousel along with a portfolio, they have a product carousel, they have split content, advanced slider, and a user info block. And they are constantly adding new blocks. In fact, they just came out with an advanced query loop block, which is a little more technical, but it is really, really powerful for showcasing different blog posts or maybe WooCommerce products on your website in a really elegant fashion with pagination and things like that. The second thing is that Kadence Blocks Pro unlocks really easy to use block animations, which will help make your pages look even better. And so here is just a really, really quick example of using Kadence animations in a block here. And so watch this links page down here as I scroll down. So as I scroll down here, you can see that each of those links was coming in from the left and then the right and left and right, and it alternated. And so I really easily set that up using the animations that come with Kadence Blocks Pro. And then as I scroll up here, you can see that those just disappear. And so those block animations are a really nice touch and help give your site a very premium feel. Number 3 is that Kadence Blocks Pro unlocks a number of add-ons for already existing blocks. And so the first one is that there are some add-ons for the countdown timer block, where you can really easily create evergreen countdowns on your website. This helps introduce scarcity and get people to purchase products or sign up for something. And then there are also some really nice Pro form integrations, so you can integrate with providers such as ConvertKit, which is one of my top recommended email marketing platforms to use. And so I think that these block add-ons are a really underrated feature that aren't talked about enough. And so back here on Kadence's pricing page, I did want to go over the different bundles that they offer and tell you which products are provided in each of these bundles. And just to let you know, if you do purchase any of these Kadence bundles, I will have an exclusive discount code in the description below to help you save some money. And if you would like to use my affiliate link, you can access this page by going to startblogging101.com/cadence-pricing. And so you can see it says premium WordPress products for beautifully effective websites. So let's scroll down here. And now depending on when you were watching this video, these prices may be different. But the very first bundle that I want to point out here is the Essential Bundle. And so the very first highlight here of the Essential Bundle is that it comes with 4,000 AI credits per year. And I did touch base on Kadence AI a little earlier in the video, but you can use these credits to have Kadence AI go and help you create the copy on your website for different sections and pages. And so I already talked about my favorite features of Kadence Theme Pro and Kadence Blocks Pro. And so both the Pro version of the theme and the blocks come in the Essential package here. And then you also get access to the Pro design patterns and the Pro starter templates. And so just to show you some of those Pro design patterns, if you were in the Kadence design library and you're on the Kadence tab, which are all of the designs that the Kadence team has built, you will see a number of different templates that they have here to help you build pages. And many of these have a little Pro tag down here. And so if you purchase the Essential Bundle, you will get access to any of these templates that the Kadence team has built that have the Pro tag on here. And then the last thing in the Kadence Essential Bundle is that you do get access to their custom fonts plugin, which allows you to really easily add custom fonts to your website. So if you are using any custom fonts on your website that aren't included in Google Fonts, for example, you can do that really easily with this plugin. So now let's talk about the Kadence full bundle here, which includes every single product that they offer and any of their future products that they ever come out with. And so the first item here is that you will get 8,000 AI credits per year, which is double the amount of AI credits from the Essential bundle. You will get access to every single thing in the Essential bundle, which is the Pro version of the Kadence theme, the Pro version of Kadence blocks, all of the Pro design patterns, the Pro starter templates, and the Kadence custom fonts plugin that I talked about. And then it has all of these additional items here. So Kadence Cloud, which is also known as the Kadence Pattern Hub. This allows you to host different custom patterns that you build on a website in the cloud. And then other websites can go and connect to your website and really easily import those patterns that you have hosted. And so the Kadence Cloud / Pattern Hub is exactly what we are using for Start Blogging Blocks, to have people connect to our library and be able to import all of those templates with one click. So back in the Kadence design library here, I'm on the Start Blogging Blocks tab here, and these are all the custom templates that we have built and put into our own cloud using that Kadence Cloud plugin. And then anybody can really easily connect up to our library and bring these templates in with one click. And so back here on the Kadence pricing page, if you ever wanted to host your own custom templates, you can really easily do that with the Kadence Cloud / Pattern Hub product. And then you get Kadence conversions in the full bundle. And Kadence conversions alone, I personally feel is worth the jump in price. I will have a video later in the course of exactly how I use really simple but effective pop-ups on my website to generate thousands of additional dollars per year in affiliate commissions and digital product sales. And so this is an extremely powerful plugin, and I think that this alone is worth that jump. And then we will not be using WooCommerce ShopKit in this course, but if you have an e-commerce website that is using WooCommerce, the WooCommerce ShopKit is a necessity on your website, and this will unlock so many additional features that allow you to customize the different product page templates and really change the look so that you don't have that boring default WooCommerce look that so many websites have. And then the child theme builder product here, this is the product we use to build Start Blogging themes. And so this allows you to build entire Kadence child themes, which are entire websites in a box, like I showed you with Start Blogging themes before. And so if you are really good at building websites in Kadence, you can build entire websites and multiple pages, and then you can bundle that together in an entire child theme that anybody can import in less than a minute on their website. And then the last thing with the full bundle is it does include access to all plugins and access to all future products that they will release. And then if I scroll down just a little bit more here, I do want to really quickly touch base on the lifetime full bundle here. And so this was the full bundle that we just looked at, but this is a one-time payment, so you don't have a yearly subscription that you need to pay. And this comes with 16,000 AI credits, but I do want to note that this does not renew year after year, but they will be coming out with some AI credit packages that will be really cheap and affordable, so that if you were to ever run out of credits, which is very unlikely, you could simply buy an additional AI credit package and have more credits to use. But this lifetime full bundle is what I invested in back in early 2020 when I first got it started with Kadence. And this is hands down one of the best investments I have ever purchased for my blog, because it gives me access to every single one of these things. And if you know how to use these tools, which I will show you throughout the course here, and how to build effective landing pages, create affiliate blog posts that sell, use Kadence conversions to build pop-ups on your website and increase conversions, you are gonna make back your investment here really quickly. And then anything that you generate past that is just free money, because it is only a one-time payment and you don't have a yearly subscription tying you down. And so that is an overview of why Kadence is the best option to build a profitable blogging business online. And I also touch base on Start Blogging themes and Start Blogging blocks, which are two products that I've built on top of Kadence to make it easier than ever to start an online WordPress website and a blog that is going to be profitable and increase conversions. And hopefully this video showed you how Kadence is an entire ecosystem of products and not just a theme or a blocks plugin like so many people talk about. There is not a single solution that I know of out there that has everything that Kadence offers, including the theme, the blocks, Kadence conversions for pop-ups, all of their AI features to help create the copy and content on your website for your different pages and individual sections. And best of all, Kadence is absolutely optimized for lightning fast speed and performance along with SEO. And so I know there are a ton of additional third-party tools out there that have a suite of products similar to Kadence, but you are not going to find the speed and the performance that Kadence offers. And I can't stress enough how important that speed and performance is for your website, because you are going to more easily pass Google's Core Web Vitals and get a Google ranking boost, and then give your users an incredible user experience on your website, which is going to keep them on your website longer and increase conversions. So that's all I had for this video. I hope that it helped, and I'll see you guys in the next one.